The JSON test function is used to verify if two JSON documents are equivalent. JSON string is a string representation of the JSON document. Value is the string representation of the JSON document to compare against. This function is only available in Tivo Integrator. In this example, I used the JSON test function to check whether two JSON documents contain the same key value pairs, regardless of the order in which the keys appear. If the contents are the same, the function returns 1 for true. Otherwise, it returns 0 for false. This line defines a JSON document as a string and stores it in the variable sjsondoc. The document contains three fields: user, port, and address. This line defines a second JSON document stored in the variable sjsoncomp. It contains the same key value pairs as sjsondoc, but in a different order. I use the JSON test function to compare the two JSON documents. It checks whether the contents, keys, and values are semantically equal, regardless of the key order. If they are equal, JSON test is set to 1. If they are not, it will be 0. The number is then converted to a string format so that it can be written to a text file. Finally, I export the converted number to a text file named jsontest.txt. Let's run the process and then view the file. After executing the process, the file will look like this.